Guys, creating videos usually means juggling multiple tools, tweaking endless settings, and spending hours cleaning up footage on the timeline. Even when AI tools are involved, a lot of the heavy lifting still ends up on your shoulders. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video we're taking a look at Movavi Video Editor and exploring how its built-in AI features can help you edit technical content faster and with far less effort. I'll walk you through a real workflow, from importing your recording to cleaning up audio, highlighting important code, and polishing the final result. If you'd like to follow along, download Movavi for free using the link in the description. The good news is you can try all the tools yourself and start editing right away. Also, I have left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. And guys, if you decide to upgrade, use my code DANTutorial for 25% off your 1-year subscription. Let's dive in. Folks, creating technical content usually takes a lot of time, especially when it comes to editing. But modern tools are starting to automate much of this process. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Movavi. It's a powerful editor that combines professional-level features with a very simple and intuitive interface. One of the platform's biggest advantages is its built-in intelligent tools. Guys, these features can automatically remove background noise, cut out long pauses, and even generate subtitles in just seconds. Because of that, it's an ideal choice for developers and content creators who want to get high-quality results without spending hours on editing. Creating educational content about programming and AI often takes a lot of time, especially during the editing stage. So let's jump into Movavi Video Editor. This tool combines professional capabilities with a very simple workflow. Mates, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to use AI features to quickly process technical screencasts. We add our first file, our initial recording, and drag it into the workspace. At this point, the editor guides us step by step, so we can clearly see what's happening. Now we can preview and work with our project directly on the timeline. Friends, when recording technical videos, long pauses often appear. While writing complex code or checking logic, these pauses can make a tutorial feel slow and less engaging. So here's the thing, in Movavi we can use an AI-based feature in the audio section that automatically removes silence. The tool is called Silence Removal. Just open it and select this option. The editor quickly analyzes your voice and highlights all the moments where nothing is happening. Then we simply click Remove Silence. Now the entire video sounds more dynamic, with no unnecessary delays. This is a perfect way to keep the viewer focused on the core coding content. Folks, when creating technical content, the security of your data is an absolute priority. It's easy to accidentally show sensitive information in a video. Things like secret access keys, passwords, or personal file paths. Instead of wasting time re-recording failed takes, we can use a tool in the video section called Highlight and Conceal. This feature helps you quickly hide any sensitive information directly inside your footage. Inside the Tools panel, you'll find a variety of masking options. These range from classic blurred effects to stylish pixelation, which gives you simple ways to conceal anything. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Mates, let's choose this blur effect for our API key. First, we'll find the moment on the timeline where the key appears. Around this point, I'll add a split and then continue looking for the moment when it disappears. Then I'll add split number 2 here. For this fragment where the key is visible, I'll use the blurred rectangle tool. I'll place it directly over the API key. I'll leave only the 2 letters SK, since every API key begins with them, and hide the rest. This way we quickly conceal confidential information while keeping the viewer focused on the code. Your data stays safe and the video still looks professional. Folks, the code is now hidden. If needed, we can also do the opposite and highlight a piece of code using the same rectangle tool. For example, we could draw attention to a specific block of logic, but for now let's move to another feature. In programming tutorials, it's important that viewers not only hear technical terms, but also see them. Library names, functions, and variables are much easier to understand when they appear on screen. Friends, instead of typing everything manually, we can use Auto Subtitles. In the Audio tools, select Auto Subtitles and click Generate. Then choose the language used in the video, and you can even translate it if needed. You can also select 1 or 2 lines for the captions. After that, click Generate, and the subtitles will appear. They can be applied to all parts of your video, even if it's split into multiple clips. Everything is added smoothly. Mates, let's preview it. First, let's create a new Python file for our project. I'll name it aisassistant.py. We need the OpenAI library to handle our AI requests. Let's import it along with the OS module for environment. Well, you've heard the result yourself, and now you have a ready-made subtitle track that you can edit, change fonts, and adjust the design with just one click. This makes your tutorial look more professional and accessible, especially for viewers who watch videos without sound. When people watch tutorials on smartphones or tablets, the text inside a code editor can be hard to read. To make sure viewers don't miss anything, we can use the Pan and Zoom tool. For example, we can choose Zoom In. Guys, this lets us smoothly zoom into a specific line or block of code we are discussing. Simply apply the zoom effect to the selected clip and choose the exact area to focus on. Now even complex code structures appear larger and clearer, which improves the learning experience. Dynamic zoom-in also gives your video the feel of a more professional production. To make it look even more polished from the very first seconds, it's a good idea to add a stylish intro title. This helps viewers immediately understand the topic. If you want your video to look like a high-end professional product, it's all about using the right visual effects. Basically, the library is packed with hundreds of animated titles, dynamic transitions, and themed stickers that you can easily drop into your own videos. For example, check out this transition. See how smooth and professional it looks? That's the kind of polish you can get without much effort. Guys, you can also use all sorts of animated stickers. Let's say you're explaining something in a tutorial. You can add a sticker to highlight key points. And the best part is, you can completely change its look to fit your style. Naturally, this helps keep your videos varied and visually interesting. And all in all, you can adapt these elements to match your brand, giving all your projects a consistent visual style. It's super simple. Just pick the element you want, drag it onto your video, and it's instantly applied. On top of that, you can export your video in any popular format that works best for you. Now, friends, let's pick the preset for education and work and see how it looks. As you can see, the text can be easily edited directly inside the editor. A short intro like this makes your content more structured and increases viewers' trust. You can also add your own logo in the Tools section and include your channel's branding or visual identity. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. As you can see, Movavi Video Editor makes editing much faster and easier, especially for technical tutorials and educational content. Features like silence removal, AI subtitles, and quick masking help you clean up recordings and make your videos clearer without spending hours editing. If you'd like to try it yourself, download Movavi for free via the link in the description, or try the 1-month subscription for quick projects. You can explore all the tools and create your first video right away. The main limitation is that the trial version has a 60-second export limit and watermark. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you decide to upgrade later, use my code DANTutorial for 25% off your 1-year subscription. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.